Hey guys, it's Aaron Heiser with Maker's Leather Supply, and I'm talking to you about our newest product, and I am so excited about this. I have wanted to make shoes since I got serious into leathercraft and really, started getting good at what I was doing and stuff like that. There's these sneaker kits now, right? So the sneaker kit comes pretty much just like this, but we also, I'll put it somewhere, there's a giant needle laying around here somewhere and a roll of thread. Where did I put them? Okay, so the sneaker kit is going to be one pair of soles, one pair of insoles, and these insoles are actually pretty comfortable. Like, I've worn these shoes and they really do work out. One large needle, which is really going to help you when you're sewing the uppers to the lowers. A spool of main thread, just a heavy waxed thread that'll help you sew your uppers to your lowers. Okay, but I want to show you real quick. I will do some videos on these. Okay, this is the basic shoe right here. This is what this pattern will make for you. Okay, there's links on our website on the shoe kit description. You can click on the link. There are different patterns for different styles of shoes. But it's so easy to cut out the pattern. You stick it together. There's high, mids, and low tops. These are all in front of you today are mid-top shoes. Cut out the pattern, stick them together, put it on your leather, cut it out, punch all the holes according to the pattern, and then there's the one for the tongues as well. And I mean, that's it. You don't have to sew anything fancy. You don't have to do like these right here where I rolled the edges and put grommets in and all that. You can do any of that you want, but you don't have to. This pair, like I said, is very basic. There's absolutely nothing extra on it except for the grommets, which are super easy to set. But yeah, we finally got these on our website. I'm going to be doing some build videos. I'm going to start with just the basic, basic shoe, and then we're going to work our way up to the really fancy, where I kind of created this pattern myself, loosely basing it off of the classic patterns. So yeah, you can get as crazy with it as you want, or you can go as simple with it as you want. You can pick out just a really cool leather and make one, or whatever. But anyway, I'm super excited about these. They're on the website now. I expect that they're going to go fast. Right now we only have the white and the crepe brown, but we're also going to be getting black. All right, so go take a look at them. And like I said, there will be some videos coming out soon, but we've got a really busy month with some conferences we have to go to and represent leathercraft and stuff. So anyway, have a great day. I'm Aaron Heiser of Maker's Leather Supply, and keep making it with Makers.